All right, guys, so today we're working on the Nissan again, and I've got to change out the switch on it. The switch was messed up, and the guy I got it from just had it kind of working. I ended up messing it up and had to break it out. So now just using a screwdriver or whatever else to make it start. So I've ordered an actual key switch, and we're gonna swap those out. So right, the first thing we're gonna do is start by taking off this collar. You can see there's the key switch. Right now I've just been running this tumbler up and down. The first thing I'm gonna do, take off the collar, this piece here, and then we can get to see what we're looking at. All right, guys, so here is the key switch. Got the plastic off, pulled it out of the way, and the part that I broke out, there's one plug that goes here, which actually connects on to this one. And then you've got the main plug that goes on this side, and it goes down and under here. So that's the brown one there that goes down. So we're gonna unhook everything, test it all out, and make sure that the new switch is gonna work before I go through the trouble of changing everything out. But this is the new switch I got with new keys and everything, and it's not new. It's a used one. These are fairly expensive, so I just bought the cheapest one I could find off of eBay. That's it. Alright, guys, I just did a simple hookup of the wires down here on the new switch, and it does click on, and everything works like it should. So you can see if I turn it on, you hear the fuel pump, radio, and it starts up and it goes off. So that's all gonna work. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust this other one off here. I've seen some guys that will chisel away at this bottom part down here and put a slot in it and make it where they can screw it out. And that actually worked for me on the other side, so it's about to move, but it just won't come enough. So I've tried to chisel right here, and I cannot get it to go. So I'm resorting to the next step, which is this right here. I'm just gonna cut that sucker out. So let's try that. All right, guys, so that did work. I was able to cut through right there. The only bad thing is it just threw a bunch of aluminum dust. Funny smelling aluminum dust at that, kind of everywhere. So that's it though. It's ready to come off there now. There it goes. So it should just lift right out. Yep, there it is. Awesome. Now we'll install the new one. All right, so now on the new one, if they haven't already, and somehow they got this thing loose and didn't have to do this already, but if you can, on the head of the screw, go ahead and cut a notch in it. So I'm just going to use a hacksaw here and put it right in the middle. Let's cut a notch for a screwdriver. Right, the new key switch is on, and everything tightened up pretty good. A little hard to get to with this stuff in the way, but that's all right. Everything got tightened. It's good to go. Now to put it back together. All right, guys, so everything is back together. Still need to wipe off some of the aluminum dust there, but here's the key in. Good to go. Working fine. And back off. So at least now we got some keys for this thing. Alrighty.